Adil Rashid to Kohli, no run. Huge appeal for LBW but the umpire stays unmoved. Floated full on leg stump, Kohli strides forward and gets beaten, only to be wrapped low in front if leg peg. Could be going down comfortably. Adil Rashid to Rohit, 1 run. Ambles down the track and flicks the full delivery to the right of mid-wicket for an easy single. Adil Rashid to Rohit, no run. Another sharp googly. Rohit allows it to rip in and gently punches it into the offside. Adil Rashid to Kohli, leg buys, 1 run. Pushed through quicker on middle and leg. Kohli misses the flick and the ball runs off the thigh pad to short fine. Adil Rashid to Rohit, 1 run. Quick googly on off. Rohit drives and chips it off the inside half past the diving right hand of the bowler. Adil Rashid to Rohit, no run. Tossed full on the stumps. Rohit comes forward and flicks to the right of short mid-wicket. Jofra Archer to Kohli, 1 run. 142 k's kiddie short ball outside off. Kohli swivels and controls the pull to the right of deep backward square. Jofra Archer to Kohli, no run. 136 k's back over length just outside off. Bunted into the offside. Jofra Archer to Kohli, 4, teasing half volley outside off and Kohli has smacked the life out of that delivery. Was a slow ball and the Indian skipper hammered it past the outstretched right hand of the Erin Morgan at cover. That flew off. Archer to Rohit, 1 run. Full and just outside off. Rohit drives it to the left of mid off. Jofra Archer to Rohit, 4. This is a Rohit Sharma special. Gets after a full delivery and times the drive in the gap between cover and extra cover. Kohli, 1 run. Full on middle and leg. Driven firmly. Kohli, no run. Tossed up just outside off. Forward and pushes into the offside. Rohit, 1 run. Touch shot on the stumps. Wristed away to deep mid-wicket. Rohit, no run. Never looked close as Rohit Sharma was hit outside leg stump. Did England think that spun back enough? Might be, and thus the review. Rohit, 6, in the zone and Rohit doesn't miss out. Picks up the toss up and deposits it deep into the mid-wicket. Stands with a thumping heave on the leg side. Kohli, 1 run. Eased down to long on Rohit, 4. 149 k's touch full just outside off. Rohit pushes it crisply and it flew wide of the bowler to his right. To be fair to Mark Wood, he had no time to react and those are the kind of catches that either stick or don't. Kohli, 1 run. Stands tall and punches the length delivery to the right of cover. Rohit, 2 runs. Short of length slanting in on the stumps at 145 k's. Rohit tucks it to the right of deep mid-wicket. Rohit, 4. Stand and admire. A 150 k's full pitch thunderbolt has been spanked past Ray bowler with disdain and this would did well to not get in the path of the ball. Rohit, no run. Back of the length outside off. Rohit opens the bat face and dabs to the left of backward point. Rohit, 2 runs. Angled in from wide of the crease. Rohit works it through mid-wicket for a double. Kohli, 1 run. Opens the bat face and guides the length delivery fine of third man. Rohit, 1 run. 100. Suryakumar Yadav, 1 run. Full and wide of off. Suryakumar drives it square to the left of sweeper cover. Suryakumar Yadav, 1 run. Full and wide of off. Suryakumar drives it square to the left of sweeper cover. Kohli, 1 run. Gets an inside edge onto pad that deflects towards short third man. Mild appeal but no dice. Suryakumar Yadav, 6, down the pit and bomb. Skipper Kohli is pumped and he lets Sky know about that. Suryakumar Yadav is a best cricketer. Steps out, gets closer to the pit of the delivery and wallops Adil Rashid into the straight down the ground orbit. Kohli, 1 run. Full on leg stump. Clipped away to deep square. Suryakumar Yadav, 1 run. Yorker in the block hole. Squeezed away round the corner for a quick single. Kohli, 1 run. Slow full delivery on leg stump. Kohli gets down on one knee and swipes it square on the leg side. 6, waltzes down the pitch. Meets the slower ball on a length and clubs it high and over the long on fielder. Pure class from the Indian skipper. Kohli, 1 run. Tad short around middle and leg. Kohli works it into the gap at mid-wicket for a single. Adil Rashid to Suryakumar Yadav, that's out. Caught. Think Chris Jordan has pulled off a stunning catch. They've gone upstairs to check for the same. And that's a clean catch. Jordan, you beauty. I'm praising him even more, because in the record books, it shall be given to Jason Roy. Kohli, 4, full, wide and outside off. Kohli reaches out for it a slice and finds the gap at short third man and backward point. Bisecting the field like a surgeon today. Kohli, no run. Good ball by Jordan as he fires this outside of on watching Virat back away. A wide Yorker that Kohli can't reach out for. Hardik Pandya, 1 run, short and wide outside off. Hardik Pandya slaps it through covers for a single. Hardik Pandya, 6, 2 in 2 for Pandya. A short ball by Jordan and Hardik Pandya has pulled it over deep mid-wicket for yet another 6. Authoritative strike. Kohli is enjoying all this from the other end. Hardik Pandya, 6, shot. Shot of a length delivery down the leg side and Hardik Pandya has flicked it over deep backward square leg. Think that came off the bottom end of his willow, but had enough legs to go the distance. Markali, Thor. Mark Wood bowls another short ball and Kohli has managed to find the fence on consecutive deliveries. Was down the wicket to have a go at it and the bowler goes a tad slow. Kohli adjusts well and pulls it through square leg, where he has managed to bisect the field as near the boundary. Kohli, 4, and finally he has managed to put one away. Slower shot of a length delivery by an off-breaker and Kohli has whipped it aerially as he finds the fence at the backward square leg. Kohli, no run. Slower shot ball, 124.8 kph. Kohli looks to play the reverse swat as he has played it straight to Butler, on a bounce. Trying to break free, but he isn't able to. Hardik Pandya, 1 run, short ball around off. Hardik Pandya swings hard at it and gets a top edge that flies to third man from where Jordan was sprinting in. This ball just drowns in front of the diving fielder. Most runs as captain in T20 LS 1464. Virat Kohli 1462. Aaron Finch 1383. Kane Williamson 1321. Ian Morgan 1273. Faf du Plessis, Kohli, 2 run, rocks back in his crease and knocks this in front of mid-off for 1. Hardik Pandya, 1 run, tad short around middle and leg. Hardik Pandya clips it through square leg. Most runs in a bilateral T201 series. Full member teams, 231. Virat Kohli ving 2021. 5 innings, 224. KL Rahul vs NZ 2020. 5, 223. Colin Munro VWI 2018. 3, 222. Hamilton Masakadze VBAN. 4. Virat Kohli this series vs Rashid. 32 balls, 2 dismissals. SR 71.9 vs other bowlers. 125 balls, no dismissals. SR 166.4. Mid-wicket for yet another 6. Authoritative strike. Kohli is enjoying all this from the other end. Hardik Pandya, 6, shot. Kohli, 2 runs, goes deep in his crease and whips this full ball to wide long on for a couple of runs. Jofra Archer to Kohli, 4, back in his crease as Kohli chips this over extra cover where Bairstow does well to save the boundary. No, he hasn't. This is a boundary. Grabbed the ball, but his back foot was in contact with the cushions when he was trying to flick it away. Kohli, 1 run. India finish with their highest T201 score against England. Not a bad batting effort. A short ball by Jofra Archer and Kohli gets it off the top edge as he looks to pull it off the top edge, towards the body as the ball drops in front of the keeper. Bhuvaneshwar to Roy, out bowled. Duck for Roy as India continue to dominate the final. A big booming in swinger by Bhuvaneshwar. Roy has no clue about the seam as he swings wildly only to find the stumps rattled. Can't afford to do that against Bhuvi. You got to pay the price for it. Hardik Pandya to Malan, wide. Short ball by Hardik Pandya and Malan ducks under it. Hardik Pandya to Malan, 2 runs, tad fuller around middle and leg. Malan clips it through the leg side for a couple of runs as he plays it with soft hands. Hardik Pandya to Malan, 4, continues to take on Hardik Pandya. Hardik Pandya goes short again, commits the same mistake and Malan pulls it through square leg. Few changes in the field to stop Malan. Hardik Pandya to Malan. 6. The number 1 batsman in T20I cricket means business. Gets a short ball and Malan goes at it with a pull. A top edge is induced as the ball sails over Shardul Thakur at deep square leg. Hardik Pandya to Malan. 4. Malan finds the fence as Hardik Pandya goes slow and short. Rocks back in his crease and pulls it towards square leg as he plays it up. Ishli Bhuvaneshwar to Malan. Leg buys. 4. Shot over length on leg. Tad slow as Malan misses out on his glance. His pads are good enough to fetch England 4 runs though. Bhuvaneshwar to Malan. 4. Looks on song does Malan. Slow delivery around off. Tad Fuller and Malan's gorgeous cover drive is too good to be stopped. Don't forget the placement to Bhuvaneshwar to Malan. No run. Back over length around middle and leg. Malan flicks it towards mid-wicket. Bhuvaneshwar to Butler. 1 run. Back over length outside off. Butler pats it in front of covers for 1. Bhuvaneshwar to Butler. No run. Slightly short ball by Bhuvaneshwar and Butler pats it with soft hands to mid on. Bhuvaneshwar to Butler. No run. Back over length around off. Keeps a tad low as Butler knocks it in. Washington Sundar to Butler. 1 run. Short ball on the pads and Butler clips it through mid-wicket for a single. Sundar concedes 13 runs in his first over. Washington Sundar to Butler. 2 runs. Nudged through mid-wicket as Washington Sundar goes short. 2 runs for Butler. Washington Sundar to Butler. 4. Tad short on off. Butler rocks back in his crease and chips this over mid-off as he gets 4 runs more. Washington Sundar to Butler. 4. Shimmies down the wicket and lofts this tossed up delivery straight down the ground. Almost for a 6 over long on. Washington Sundar to Malan. 1 run. Tad short around middle and leg. Malan works it through mid-wicket with a close back face. Thakur to Butler. 2 runs. Widish outside off. Butler reaches out for it with a slice and the ball flies towards deep point as they get a couple of runs. The fielder in the deep couldn't get there although he put in a sprint. Thakur to Butler. No run. Shot over length outside off. Butler pats in front of covers. Thakur to Malan. 1 run. Shot over length outside off. Malan opens the bat and steers it towards third man. Thakur to Malan. 4. 50 up for England. Down the leg side. Tad slow and short. Malan waits for it and simply tickles it away to the fine leg fence. Thakur to Butler. 1 run. Short and wide outside off. Butler slaps it towards covers for a single. Thakur to Butler. 6. Short and punished. Butler treks back in the crease and deposits it over deep mid-wicket for half a dozen. Right then, the chase is on the track. T. Natarajan to Malan. 1 run. Touch Fuller around middle and leg. Malan knocks it to mid on. T. Natarajan to Butler. 1 run. Short and wide outside off. Butler cuts it through point for 1. T. Natarajan to Butler. No run. Pitched up by Natarajan and Butler eases it in front of mid of. T. Natarajan to Malan. 1 run. Back over length outside off. Malan pats it into the offside as they reach 60/1. T. Natarajan to Malan. 4. On a length around off. Malan scoops it over covers for 4 more. England off to an ideal start in their quest to hunt down a huge score. T. Natarajan to Malan. No run. Back over length around middle and leg. Malan clips it in front of. Thakur to Butler. No run. Crashes this slower ball straight to extra cover. Right in the slot outside off. Cannon fodder for Butler once he picks the variation. He nails it hard but fails to find the gap. Just 5 of this. Thakur over. Thakur to Butler. No run. Back over length delivery outside off. Punched to extra cover. Thakur to Malan. 1 run. Length ball across off. Malan mistimes the drive on the up to the left of mid of. Thakur to Malan. 4. This is driven sweetly through the covers. Full ball outside off. Malan leans into the ball and times it well. Iyer dashes to his left at the boundary, tries to keep it in while sliding into the ropes, but is unsuccessful as the ball goes along with him. Thakur to Malan. No run. Back over length around middle, chopped off a thick inside edge onto his thigh. Cramped for room there. Thakur to Malan in and run. Malan's a hit puzzled as. Rahul Chahar to Butler. No run. Here's